So something's going on outside. I've been seeing this van drive in and out, probably because they're looking for parking, but I don't know if you see anything. I heard like a demonic giggle too, like a laugh. But look, watch. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but I'm gonna open the balcony and I'm gonna go out here. Try to see if I can hear it from here. What the fuck? Okay, I can hear it. Something in the sky. There's something up there. That huge star. Oh my god. Yep, there's noises. Noises in the sky. And we've got this star over here that's been alongside the moon. It's red. It's red. It's been a long... Oh my god. Are you seeing this? Holy shit. Holy shit. And then there's noises everywhere. I don't know if you hear the sky. Let me just be quiet. Something's going on up there, guys. It smells like carbon dioxide out here, like high carbon dioxide. And I heard like horns, like if there was like war going on. Seeing dark figures. The moon is over there behind the tree. But then this is the star up here that I'm talking about, the red one. Right here. Yep, you see that shit? And then we have the moon behind the tree right here. Crazy, right? So do y'all hear this noise? I hope y'all hear it, because I can definitely hear it.